day of Adventures with Wes.
And Jeff.
And we are in Costa Rica at a place called Monteverde. And it has a rainforest, and we signed up for a nighttime walk through the rainforest to see the nocturnal animals that live here, and maybe we'll see some spiders and snakes and different nocturnal frogs and different nocturnal animals that reside here in the rainforest. So it's a popular thing to do. There's day hikes and then there's nighttime hikes, but we found out by doing a little bit of research that 80% of the animals and creatures that live in this rainforest, 80% of them are nocturnal. So they only come out at night. So this is a perfect opportunity for us and a great adventure in order to go out and see these animals tonight. So we'll show you some of the pictures of the things that inhabit this rainforest.
That is inside or the whole tree. That's why in some years we can see like kind of hollow tree, because the main tree is gone and only the ficus or the strangulate ficus is still alive. We're gonna see many of those trees on the way, and we can see in some of them part of the main tree there is still inside. Even in Costa Rica, so we can use these trees for activities. So when they are completely hollows, so we can climb inside of the trees all the way to the top, and then do the same by rappelling out of the tree. This one because they don't have any sex deformings like in other frogs. Because most of the time in frogs, so the female is bigger than the male. But in this one, that's their regular size. So that's how big they get.
A rainforest frog.
We enjoyed watching the agouti. This is a tailless squirrel-like rodent that is relative to the guinea pig. The agouti has teeth that are so strong that they can crack open a Brazil nut. The red-eyed tree frog blends into the green forest environment. It has bright green body with red and orange feet and bright red eyes. The green and black poison dart frog. This frog's skin is poisonous to the touch and was used by the natives to make poison blow darts to protect them from intruders. The white-nosed coati or coati is a member of the raccoon family with upright, long ringed tails and long noses. They hunt in groups, or what they call them, bands or troops. We love watching the brightly colored frogs, especially the green frog with the interesting black scrambled eyes. A tree beetle makes this bubbly spit-like foam on the back of the trees. The orange-kneed tarantula can flick the hairs from its abdomen to protect itself from predators. Scorpions on the cloud forest floor can usually be detected by a black light. The venom is poisonous and can be very painful if you are bit.
Don't point her with your lights. With this one is enough. With mine.
What type of bird is it again?
Trogong.
A throgong?
Trogong. Collared trogong.
So it's not nocturnal, it's
It's
sleeping.
not nocturnal. It's sleeping, so that's why we cannot see the head.
Oh, it's got its head tucked into its body.
Uh-huh.
It's a big bird.
The laurel green palm pit viper is just one of 130 species of snakes in Costa Rica, and only 23 of them are venomous. If you enjoyed our adventure video of our nighttime hike through the cloud forest of Costa Rica, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and join us on future adventures. Whatever you're doing today, get out to the great outdoors and do something that makes you smile.